Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the Honeycomb stainless steel non-stick frying pan with lid, a 12-inch skillet designed for the modern home chef. This pan boasts a unique honeycomb surface, tri-ply construction, and a host of features that aim to make healthy, efficient cooking a reality. Let's break down what makes this pan stand out. First and foremost, the construction. This isn't just another non-stick pan. It features a composite non-stick stainless steel design with tri-ply construction. What this means is a core of aluminum sandwiched between layers of stainless steel. This tri-ply approach is crucial for even heat distribution. No more hot spots that burn your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. The aluminum core ensures that heat spreads uniformly across the entire cooking surface, leading to more consistent results every time you cook. Now, let's talk about that honeycomb surface. It's described as ceramic-etched, and the claim is it enables oil-free frying and low-smoke cooking. This is a significant promise for anyone looking to eat healthier or simply reduce kitchen smoke. The idea is that food glides effortlessly, preventing sticking and burning, even with minimal to no oil. This feature directly contributes to healthier meals, allowing you to retain more nutrients in your food. The material is also 304 stainless steel, which is known for being scratch and rust-proof, and built to withstand daily use while maintaining its aesthetic appeal over time. The health benefits are clearly a major selling point. The advanced composite non-stick is touted for true oil-free performance. Imagine searing, sautéing, and frying without the need for excessive oil. This translates to lower fat content in your meals, making it a fantastic tool for health-conscious individuals or families. And the cleanup? It's described as a breeze. Wipe clean or dishwasher-safe, meaning zero scrubbing required. This is a huge win for busy cooks who don't have time for tedious cleaning. The pan heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, making it a versatile performer for a wide range of dishes. Size and versatility are also key. This is a 12-inch skillet, which is a substantial size. It's large enough to accommodate things like a whole tomahawk steak, as the product details mention, or easily serve a family. Its compatibility with all cooktops including induction, gas, and electric makes it a universally useful addition to any kitchen. Furthermore, the stainless steel body allows for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. This opens up a world of cooking possibilities, from starting a dish on the burner to finishing it in the oven. The tempered glass lid is designed to lock in moisture, ensuring your food stays tender and flavorful. It also covers the entire surface, aiding in full coverage searing. Safety is another aspect the manufacturer heavily emphasizes. This non-stick pan is certified food grade and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, meeting stringent global food safety standards. The main body is constructed from food-grade 304 stainless steel. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lid is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for various cooking methods. The ergonomic handle is designed to stay cool, providing a secure and comfortable grip, which is essential for safe handling and maneuvering around the kitchen, especially when dealing with hot cookware. Finally, the durability and quality aspect. This pan is built for heavy-duty use. The tri-ply construction is a hallmark of quality cookware, and the manufacturer states it undergoes rigorous multi-stage quality checks. They offer 24/7 customer support and replacements for damaged items, backing it with a permanent warranty, essentially a lifetime protection for your non-stick pan. This commitment to quality and customer service suggests a product designed to last. Now, let's consider the pros and cons. On the pro side, the even heat distribution from the tri-ply construction is excellent. The honeycomb non-stick surface and the promise of oil-free, low-smoke cooking are significant health and convenience benefits. Its versatility across different cooktops and oven-safe capabilities add immense value. The large size is great for families or larger meals, and the food-grade safety certifications provide peace of mind. The permanent warranty is also a huge plus, suggesting confidence in the product's longevity. For potential cons, while the Honeycomb surface promises no sticking, the long-term durability of any non-stick coating can be a concern for some users, though this one claims to be scratch-proof and permanent. Also, while it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is often recommended for preserving the lifespan of non-stick surfaces, so that might be an extra step for some. The initial cost might be higher than a basic non-stick pan, but the quality and warranty seem to justify it. In conclusion, this Honeycomb stainless steel non-stick frying pan with lid appears to be a robust and well-designed piece of cookware. It aims to deliver on multiple fronts: health, convenience, versatility, and durability. If you're in the market for a high-quality skillet that can handle everything from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate oven-finished dishes, and you prioritize healthy cooking with minimal fuss, this pan is definitely worth a closer look. The combination of superior materials, thoughtful design, and a strong warranty makes it a compelling option for upgrading your kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.